All right, it is Julie Germs. I was on Canada 88.5 FM ethi uyezwa uyabona. Eksene kulisonto umhla ka30 kene ku March 2025 okusho ukuthi Sunday yokugcina kuyona inyanga ka March. Right, ngiyakubingelela ngokwamukela ohlelweni asilungiseni obingelelayo Queen Rejoice kulesi sikhathi la sithi khona ke nje asilungiseni emsakazweni waKenanda 88.4 FM. Ngingahambi ngedwa ukhona ubaba uNdaba enhle Miyeza ukhona ubaba uThabo Sambothi abazobingelela nje kungekudala. Ngiqale ke ngibonge kakhulu lapha na kwithimba lasekuseni bakade bethi nje easy on a Sunday morning. Msizi Ntaka ehambisana ke nayo Felicia. By the way, Felicia Mantuli, Felicia wakantuli. Yabona nje mina nje la umphathi uvele nje wangirawundisa nje yazi ngabantu nje. Ngehlobo. Shuthi sekhaya la ekhaya yabo shuthi nami uma ngabe kusekhaya nawe yini namhlanje topic esohamba ngaphansi kwayo King Solomon, the dark side of King Solomon. Sawona kuseni.
The following program contains mature subject matter, coarse language and discussions of religious beliefs, ways of life and those of sexually suggestive nature. This may seem offensive to sensitive listeners and parental discretion is strongly advised.
Alright, ngisasa lesikhathi manje ngibingelele ngamukele uDimbane Mzukwase ukuthula makwande.
Sibingelele abalali benanda FM. Ngimbonge umdali wezulu nomhlaba osiphe ukusithanda ukusithemba ukungaqolodi sime phezulu kwamaqhuma kepha sibe nenkonzo yokuzehlisa sizivuyise okosiza nokho ukuthi sibuyisele ulwazi kubantu. Umdali asibusisa sipha amandla bese kuthi lo lwazi masibuyisela luguqule impilo zabantu babuyele esimweni abantu bakhe njengoba babe ayibadalile.
Siyabonga. Thabo Sambothi.
Ake sibonga kumdali esasicelile kuwe sathi mayivumile siyawuphinda ehlangane. Nakho kuvumile umdali saphinde sahlangana futhi namhlanje kuyisonto umhla ka30 ku March 2025. Sibonga kakhulu ake ngibingelele ngiphinde ngibonge kubaba uNtuli ubaba kaSamngey ongipha amadumba angakanani angakawapheki ngiwathanda kanjani amadumba Mpemba hayi ungibusisile nombila hayi umbila sengudlile umbila sekushoda amadumba ngiyazi ulalela uMphemba ngibonge kuMantuli hawu Mantuli hayi
ubaba uMantuli
sekhaya kaNtuli sekhaya senga adoptwa kaNtuli mina isekhaya kaNtuli ngiyabona ukudla angilambi ngidla isicabanga ukudla nje okwangempela hayi banginika ijunk abantu bakaNtuli umunye uletha nje pumpkin uyayidla pumpkin ubeka ama seeds ngale uwomise ngiphinde ngithathe ngisha ama seeds ngiwadle mangafuni ukwatshala ngwa roast mangithanda nge olive oil ngithi uwafaka usawoti ama seeds akhona nje yawo banginikeza ukudla kwangempela mpela hayi indaba ukudla bangifuna ngiphila abantu bakaNtuli
hawu siyabonga ngempela ngakhohlwa phathi usuthamba imbewu yamadumbe
yazi mina ngaze ekhanda lami kwakuduma amazambane ngamnikeza amazambane esikhundleni samadumbe hayi so izamane yamadumbe nangi nobhuti wakhe la unamadumbe watshalile mhlambe naye azazizame ngembewu yamadumbe ngoba ukube ngikhumbulile lapha ngisheshe ngayicela
siyabonga 19 minutes after 9 isikhathi asingene kuyona the dark side of King Solomon khona uthe umlaleli wathatha lento King Solomon. Well, King Solomon siyamazi kakhulu bafethu udume kakhulu ngamakhosikazi awunqwaba nezanqozo zezinqwaba. Imani umaba mntabehle now you confusing. Unegama ngempela futhi
amagama u7.
Awu7.
Kodwa igama lakhe igama leli ka Solomon it's anglicized. Ngisingisi uSlomo.
uSlomo igama lakhe.
uDlomo.
Hayibo niseni manje kumina.
Isiminya.
Slomo.
Imani ngathi imani.
Solomon Slomo.
Ama translation nawo enza ukuthi Solomon. Slomo nje Slomo.
Yeah, Slomo. So manje vele phela belungu benza ngamabomu ukuthi basuke bedukisa umlando wethu bashintsha amagama bawabhale ngesingisi khona singeke siyithole uhambe lo Slomo lo bathi bona uSlomo kodwa abanye futhi ihambe kuvela udlomo ukuthi odlomo bavela la le lineage le moyilandela kahle uShlomo la uphenduka
udlomo futhi
ukhamba kwesikhathi lokho wayasha ngeAfrika uloku la yonke amagama ebalekile abelungu bawashintshela lokho ke ukuthi ngicine
ningazi igama lishintshelwa igama
uma ayigama lingashintshwanga ngicina litrace nibambi
idea nje bechaza uThabo is to prevent you from inheriting your ancestral name
because manje gcina lilahle iminingi
alilahleki ugcina ususebenzise labo phela
sho elingekho futhi
in all essence elingenangqondo
hayi bomadoda nangiqeda
uSolomon lo waseBhayibhelini
yes
you see could you just let's look at the introduction
right
uSolomon uzaloba
uthi ngazi ukuthi ezalo David
correct uDavid kwakuyisibuzi seyibuze eBhayibhelini akakho ubaba owayekhohlakele njengalo wababa lo now for to understand to David naye his sexual orientation yakhe was very questionable
that is why bemam guy like usho Jonathan usho ndatana yakhe
indaba yakhe noJonathan yeah
right
again ungakhohlwa this is what the Judaic and the Christian and Islamic world have done bebethatha izitori bazishuka quote
right
bese beyifaka embhalweni encwadi bangasinikezi ungqo womlando as we see
right
base bethatha ibhubhunyeka eyikwazi ukudefend into engekho then you call them apologists.
Oh, okay.
I call them the liars of God.
I know.
Okay. Ukuthi three religions, three
right.
Abrahamic religions.
Right.
But such a story as simple, as straightforward, as deep.
Okay.
Basi Dr. Rishe. Kuze kube khona istory sesinaso lesi sika Solomon. It boggles the mind. It boggles the mind. One, you have an old man. Ubabu David. Ubulala uDavid ubulala ba. Ubulala Uriya uzalale nomkakhe. Ake ngiphinde futhi. uDavid ubulala bani? Uriya. Ubuzenze njani?
Alale
nomkakhe.
Right.
Kwase kuzalwa ba? uSolomon. Ubani umaka Solomon?
unkosikazi kaUriya
egama lakhe na umka Uriya wayemuhle yeah libheke
wayemuhle ngempela
no wayemuhle yabo there is damning evidence mamnguni ukuthi umaka Solomon umka Uriya was such a pretty woman
manje uDavid engesenabo nabanye abakhosikazi
uDavid waye promiscuous wayelala nanoma ubani and there is evidence ukuthi bakhona nabantu besilisa lala nabo yabo but ukhumbuleke ihistory iyacleanwa you clean up history you know ukhona umbuzo kanye ngawubuza le studio wathi ulokhuza ngawubuza ngizoshaya abantu bongishaya kakhulu
boss
ngathi mina
Ngimay umbuzo uthini
wasikhuluma umlando kaZulu ngathi mina ilembe labeko ba
hawo
danzo okay sidlule
lasibeka
asidlule la
But kusemlandweni.
Okay. Yeah. Ilento engisho ukuthi nathi kwaZulu khona imlando esasicleaner.
Okay.
Khona imlando esimple kabi kaXhosa deep kodwa uyacleanwayo. For the next generation. Ngoba abantu befuna kwakheke umlando.
Okay.
uDavid kwakuyisibuzi.
Yo.
But the Christians are quick to say then uNkulunkulu wamthethelela.
Cha wahamba phela uzendlala.
Okay, was David monotheistic? No, he was not. He was
not.
No, he was worshiping other gods. Bakhona onkulunkulu mamnguni uDavid abe worship. And ngisemi
But the Bible liveza edumisu Jehovah.
Which Jehovah during that period?
The one and only.
Yeah, no ngeke ndaba ezithi uyimuphi lo nkulunkulu wayeworshipha ngalesikhathi sika David. If it was Yahweh, then there's a serious problem, because Yahweh was once a stone which was disembodied and then turned into an almighty God. There is evidence L is bronze stage L lo
Okambe uDavid wagcotshwa ulo ubani
Baba Jonathan
Samuel wagcotshwa Samuel okay
could it have been a cover up
their past relationship with Jonathan no David
yeah
I don't know
yeah kungenzeka ukuthi wezama uclean up lapha
phela uDavid wamnqoba nje uGoliath
hayi leso story nganekwana if ever there was a man of Goliath wena ngeke akekho umuntu onale height abakhuluma ngayo ongaphatha ishield elingana nale moto yakhe aliqoka ayikho into njengale so sicela sika Goliath mina always looked it njenge enye inganekwane nje as inspire 2 leso story sika Goliath no David kwakwa another clean up job to correct izinto ezazenzeka empilweni kabani David yeah
okay
so ke awungibhekela igama lapho igama lika Maka Solomon ngoba kufanele silisebenzise namhlanje
igama lika Maka Solomon
yeah ungasho
madoda King Solomon Uslomo
yeah the mother had a name today if ubaba ka Solomon kwakuphi ubaba ka David akubani kwakuJese another very controversial figure and Jesu ndodana ka David
right hi
we history yakuboka Jesu if genealogically uJesu uqhamuka kuJese ka David uqala kukhokho waba phezulu oyemahosha edesa ngomzimba
weba hayi David but anyway uMaka Slomo Bathsheba
kwakuBathsheba yes yeah that's very correct so uyabona ukuthi umuntu khokho ka David ukhokho ka David oyidesa ngomzimba uDavid there is evidence ukuthi akuyena unkosikazi owabulala indoda yakulela namakhosikazi akhe but istory sika lokuza sika Bathsheba sakuza sa highlight angazi noma uBathsheba is because she was extremely beautiful but there is evidence ukuthi uBathsheba was very very beautiful to a point ukuthi wathi melungu wayenezinqu uBathsheba so melungu uSolomon she sees this beautiful naked woman then not uDavid useyabulala indoda yakhe ukuzalale nonkosikazi wakhe so he had to unalive Uriah in order to sleep with his wife so in other words uSolomon wazalwa emfebweni
yes
yeah uSolomon uSlomo ingane yofebe yeah singakubeka ngesizulu sikube ngezulu wazaleka eManyaleni Bongi uSlomo yeah uSlomo wazaleka eManyaleni now ubhekeni enganeni ezalwe eManyaleni ubheke thabanga ukuthi iphinde lezinto ezenziwa uba uyise please share and like my life thabanga
manje uyena uSlomo wabekeka kanjani ngoba uDavid engenayo namanye amadodana ngisukubona makuthiwa indlalifa ini yayingekho into enjalo
uDavid wayengenawo amanye amadodana but they'll tell you something very bizarre ukuthi they were historically they were insignificant uthathwe ingane kaTikiline iyona ephakanyiswa phezulu uyabona into esebhabheli ukuthi ingane zeyifebe igcine sezikwene seyibusa ubuso indala ayiqali manje go to the English royal family go to the French family you'll be shocked same stuff lesenzeke lapha umkhuba wabo ama Europeans ukuthi ama royal families zabo kuba nemfebo ne-incest and everything these royal families are Europe eyiningi they are born of incest and prostitution
yo umkhuba omdala yane
our Bible translator King James he unalived his own mother ngizama ukunikeza abantu ilokhuza indaba kaSlomo
hayi madoda so already sengiquleke ka 34 kuqala nje asangisesithapheni nobongeka the dark side of King Solomon
nazi izindaba
Siphinde sikwamukele ohlelweni asilungiseni kulesikhathi manje la sikhuluma khona sithi the dark side of King Solomon. Kuhleleke no Kendra Joyce Mabatu khona indaba enhlemiyeza noThabo Samboti. Sijabulele nosibonge nokuthi uhleli kanye nathi. Yes.
Kendra Joyce. Ukuze abalaleli abafikele ithi bayibambe.
Right.
Sithe ihistory yaka Davida imusuka phezulu. Kugogo wabo ayinhle kahle.
All right.
Kwakuye ngaphatha kuyimilo.
Okay.
So ukhokho kaJesu wayumahosha.
Ukhokho.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Ukhokho kaJesu wayumahosha.
Okay.
Yeah. Angithi niyasho Jesu ndodana
David.
Yeah. If that is the case then ukhokho kaJesu wayelokhuzo umahosha.
Okay.
Yeah.
Phela vele siyasho sithi uNkulunkulu uthi ukhetha la nganakekile khona. Athathe khona.
Now uBetsheba, what a pretty woman. Thiwa wayemuhle uBetsheba. But uBetsheba wavuma kanjani ukulala no Davida esebulale imini wakhe. Luyenzeka inicansi nomunye umuntu uma esebulala indoda yakho.
But wayazi kodwa phela baba
wayengeka ngazi. Ngaleso sikhathi igossip eyihayi kakhulu.
Akona ukuthi mhlawumbe uBetsheba noDavid baqale bangazi baya khonta abayenzayo kwasekuthiwa
isolution lapho ukuthi ubushende kungenzeka ukuthi kwakukhona ukushendezana phakathi kaBetsheba
noDavid kwathi
uDavid angamanye amazwelana nabafazi babantu.
So isolution la ukuthi akhambe lo mfethu ukuze sibe right.
Exactly. uDavida before nje kwenzeka izinto eziningi welana nabafazi babantu.
Yo. Bakhona nabanye beside Betsheba.
Hayi bakhona abanye uDavid alala nabafazi babantu. Ngoba kwakhokho wakhe uDavid wayengemuhle. Sizolisha igama lakhe. Khokho kaDavid.
Ugo wesifazane.
Yeah, a female wayedesa ngomzimba wayidume kakhulu.
Shisi babe bahle bonke.
Uba David. Probably it was a pretty family.
Okay.
So Kendra Joyce ke azalwe kuSlomo.
Right.
Yebo.
Yeah.
At some stage uSlomo disappears.
Right.
After ezaliwe.
Okay.
uSlomo then ends up with Royal Palace. Yebo. Ingane ulwazi esinalo about ukukhulisa uDavid.
Right.
Kodwa uDavid seemed to have loved him. Ghana, he was good looking.
Oh.
Very black.
Okay.
Wemnyama uSolomon. Wemnyama lokuxa kukwenza. But a cute. A typical with a beard ebonje emuhle.
Wayekwe kahle.
Yeah.
Right.
Now uDavida washiya zonke ingane zakhe legitimate.
Right.
Ezalwe amakhosikazi asebukhosini. Wazobeka indodana yakhe.
Yaba inkosi.
Le ayithola ehlane. Yaba inkosi.
Okay.
The moment uSolomon ethatha ubukhosi waseyathwala.
Owathwala after ubukhosi.
Wathwala after ubukhosi, yeah.
Okay, yenza kanini le conversation ya Solomon noNkulunkulu aza kucela ukuhlakanipha?
It's very interesting. Kwakukuhlakanipha noma icela iability to use the more and dark forces.
Okay, Bible listen.
And which God is that?
Right.
Okay. Then Solomon builds a palace. The story gets bizarre. Ngesikhathi akha ipalace uSolomon.
Right.
Kube khona certain areas. Lama areas kwakuyi chamber kodwa engenayo roof.
Okay.
Evuleke phezulu.
All right.
Then kwakungangeni umuntu kuleyo chamber. Yila kwakukhona ispaceship sakhe. Where uSolomon could get in, where he could get into the spaceship, disappear and come back. Kwasekuthiwa yini umphongolo wesivumelwano. No, it's not true. That's not true. Why did he have that ring? There is that ring, Solomon, and a tentagram.
inandathu
lenina enithini enithi iring yama satanist no ayoni yama satanist le ring
yeah no
the tetragram it's the mathematical keys of Solomon ekwazi uku-accessa ngale ku-physical world uma ubheka i-pentagram awevula lapha i-pentagram ukuthi inama-point amangaki and each point is representative of the hidden worlds where uSolomon had an access to.
So Solomon had access of other dimensions noma
other hidden worlds sikubeka njalo abantu bazolahleka umuthi ama-dimensions.
Ngawa manje lesingithi se-10 i-maths
yeah isithombe go for the picture Queen just go for the picture.
Right.
Yeah. So i-pentagram ke. Couldn't just mhlawumbe izosheshe ivele kumina. Nayi.
Angiyabona but ama-point engawabona inama-point it's like a star.
Like a star as strange kabi.
Okay.
Which later is going to be known as the Star of David.
Oh, okay.
I-pentagram kaSolomon each and every point yayo ikhombisa i-access to the darker world. Okay okokuqala mamngoni uSolomon wayekwazi uku-accessa amadimoni wonke.
True.
And uSolomon ngesikhathi access amadimoni wonke each demon wayene relationship deep kabi nomholi wamadimoni.
Bamholo amadimoni ba
i-demon leader.
Okay. Oh, uthola amadimoni aba nomholi
Legion. I-legion.
Oh, yeah, sengiyakhumbula nale ndaba. Okay, yeah, I think I'm getting it.
So uSolomon wayebamba leader.
Hayibo.
Abese empowerisha nayo imnikeza izinto ekufanele azobserve.
Okay.
Yabo.
All right.
uJesu kuSolomon wa hijacka ingelosi. Now the question is, were these angels of light or angels of darkness? I want to put it to you, dear leader Wuti, these were the angels of darkness.
Let's hijack.
Yeah. And then one of his trusted lieutenant angel, yet again, your power lies in women.
Oh.
So, Orca
abesifazane
from 700 provinces.
Shuthi bonke labafazi bakhe kahle kahle kwakugcina imithetho wesithwalo sakhe.
Well, yeah. Why bashela nini Queen Joyce? Ngoba babelandwele emoya lena. But there's a secret.
Why banelisa nini?
Why ebanalako ababelelwa emoya. Bathi belele naye. Queen Joyce.
Yeah.
uSolomon ngithi sithe khumbula lapha le nto ekuthiwa allegedly umphongolo wezivumelwano.
Yes.
Not true. Kwaku spaceship. uSolomon wayethi lapho kuleyo ndlu leyo this chamber asamone imoya amademon akhe eze alende phezu kwama tentagram. Each demon and angel will stand at the point of the tentagram. Ebese disha ama instructions. Bese kuthi abaholi bezimpi zakhe each mholi wempi ucommander wakhe had to enjoy the pleasure of these demons. Wayebalalisa nalama demon abantu besifazane ukuze babe nepower. Ayikho icommander kaSolomon yakasala empini.
Hayibo.
Uma.
Hayibo. Okay.
Solomon went through very strange sexual relationships.
Okay.
An allegation that isikhathi ayesichitha sokubeka ngenhlonipho kumzuzu wokuqala umuntu esifazane kwakube ngathi ama-hour. Umuntu esifazane aze alahlekelwe ingqondo.
Wayengaba hypnotize pho.
Kwakusuke kuyena noma kusukile emoya.
Sure.
But ukhumbula iringi. These could not impregnate, these spirits could not impregnate these women. Ngoba babengenayo iringi le kaSolomon.
Solomon akekho enayo.
Yeah, so they would have left very dangerous fluids on these women. So why ba controller ngale ring, the ring of Solomon? Why iphiwa ba le ring Solomon?
So iphiwa baba.
Have you ever noticed ama-Ethiopians ngendlela obsessa ngayo nge-Ring of Solomon nangomphongolo? Sabo manje lapha engicose khona ama-Ethiopians banazaqamba amanga athi bona they have ilokhuza imphongolo esimelana. Abanawo, they can't. Yakwazi ukuyibamba le nto. You see, Queen Joyce, ungena kwi-chamber of Solomon.
Yes.
Slomo. Immediately meke wa stepper in yayikhanya. Spaceship,
right?
Ngoba izosuke ehamba lapho.
Okay.
Kodwa esigodlweni babembone khona kanti akekho. He's going to mine gold somewhere. Uhamba nalabo dobolwane. These genes bayomba igolide now. They'll ride the spaceship. Kumbe with that amount of gold kuwe. Malifika la igolide alikhiphe lapha kwi chamber. Ebese lisa ukuyo purify.
All right.
uSolomon had the power to feed all these demons and all these angels. Kodwa okuthusayo iloyalty yabo kuyena. Angiphathi kwamajini kwakumthanda kwakuze kubhawe kuyena.
Yinenze ukuthi ababambe imimoya even izingelosi ngalendlela uthi zezibelo yakena.
Amajini ayethandaza uSolomon.
Kanjani? Yile ayibenza ngayo.
It's the ring. The secret the secret was in the ring.
Madoda kusele 2 minutes siyakubongeka. The dark side of King Solomon. Uthi nje umzoka Solomon akusiyelento evezwa sengathi yona and nele nqobe yamakhosikazi amangaka which is questionable
kumina amakhosikazi athi membuku uSolomon avene alunge
kuba ngathi ukhona into eyenzakalayo
nobe ngathi seyaqeda nokuthi aqine embukile nje ngesizulu ngathi most women abake amehlo abo hlangana noSolomon they going to orgasm.
How? Well, nephela. Usho ufana njengalento ezilwane ukubona ukuthola umuntu ukuthula la nesilwane.
Uma ukabuka amehlo kaSolomon kuthiwa njengeinkanyezi as a woman you got into orgasm.
Chaje. Why not dumba? Udumba. Ikonto njalo kodwa kuba umutho njalo.
Khona umunye kade ngihamba nohlongwane ngolesihlanu ngamasho. Yaqhamuka omunye usisi uzosidayisela udumba.
Oh, udumba.
Uphethe udumba. Uthi uhlongwane hayi nathi siyawakha.
Sihlekisela. Hawu ngakumbuka nje. Bangaka samsendabeni siyabuya. Kodwa iyona into le ubabudabele ngendlela osho ngayo eyifida isithwalo sakhe nemoya yakhe. Oh my God. Isikhathi 11 minutes after 10 ekseni kumhla ka 30 kuMarch 2025 lalela umsakazo weNanda 88.4 FM uhlelo asilungiseni okuthula makwande namhlanje sikhuluma the dark side of King Solomon. King Solomon ke uSlomo ke igama kahle kahle it was naba nibona amagama amaningi ama direct direct translation akuzathini ithwani ngiyabheka thwani ingcono okay ayinokuba
emazi ubuze ngesingisi uthi igama ethi Solomon ichaza
lisho ukuthini ayikho lishona
ngisho nge-English mazi ulandela uthi come up nge-English leli ka Slomo means peace inkosi yokuthula
kahle igama lakhe kahle hle unkosi yokuthula
inkosi yokuthula
abanye bathi umoya wokuthula kuSolomon bathi awungekho ukuthula kulokuthola kwakhe okay ake ngiqedele bese ngidedela uthabo
right
so uthi uSolomon ke iring yokuthwala le nithi nina wacela ukuhlakana no wacela le ring iyona ring athwala ngayo kuSolomon le
ecela kuba kanti
into the spirits into the other spirits. Yabo kule chamber yakhe ke eyayi direct into the center of the universe. Yila uSolomon egila khona umkhulu. Okunye okubalulekile fanele abalaleli bakulandele. Ama worshippers in Solomonic temples ayesebenzisa insangu.
Ukwenzani? Ukushunqisa
Unokubhema. Nokuxuba imure nama animal fat nobulongwe as part of incense. Yayibhenye futhi insangu as form of philocos. Ukuze ba access ama powers of the other world.
Now I'm curious about the Rastafarians.
As kuma Solomonic temples nganza kwethu kwatholakala abacubunguli kwenziwa research later nje. I don't know ukuthi kwakumuphi unyaka ngizokhumbula. Kwatholakala damning evidence of cannabis. In all Solomonic temples that are available in Israel, an indication nesekulandela umlando ukuthi kwakusetshenziswa insangu as part of the worship. So uSolomon njengoba nithi nina wacela ukuhlakanipha kuJehova, it's not true. It's not true. Wayengeke uNkulunkulu amuphe ukuhlakanipha of such darkness. Then if kwakuNkulunkulu amnikeza le yanto Solomon, then it was not God Almighty, it was another God.
Okay, uthoza sixoxela indaba yengane ya
siyaya ke lapho khona Joyce. So uSolomon that ring yayimnikeza izinto ezijule kakhulu bathi wayengakwazi ukulala.
Oh, akulala ebusuku.
Yeah, he never had deep sleeps because he had to constantly consult with his demons, his dark angels namajin akhe who were very active oba emaningi. Angithi Solomon makuphuma impi yakhe wayethi atshela intuthana ukuthi sukani ngoba angithandi inyathelo impi yakhe.
Kokona lokho ecommunicate nentuthana.
Amajin akhe. Amajins. So uSolomon was highly sexual ngendlela exa kukwenza. Why babonda amakhosikazi akhe? And the thing is lapho wayene assistant of the spirits. Once wagqoka le ring yakhe uSolomon, of which he was the only one who had access, he could go through 20 women in one night easily. Easily.
I don't think umuntu normal angakwazi, but ke since sifundile ukuthi
Elia ring Joyce. Elia ring.
All right.
Yeah.
Nakhona futhi amandla akhe noma ukukhuphuka. Kuthiwani language yabantu abathwalayo. Ukukhuphuka kwakhe kwakulapho vele abantweni besifazane.
Yeah, ngoba abanye abantu besifazane babethi make kwahlangana inhlamvu zamehlo. No Solomon bavene baqina baqhama.
All right. Yeah.
Makuhlangana nje inhlamvu zamehlo no Solomon.
Okay.
And uSolomon ate very little. Wayengayidli inyama.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wayedla ama vegetables kuphela.
Okay. Yeah, I heard that. Yeah.
He consumed strictly vegetables. And there's a secret. It is known, it's common knowledge ukuthi Solomon wengenabo chef wayephekela.
Oh.
Yeah, he ate only once a day.
So enesikhathi sokuyolo wena isikhathi songena kula secret chamber yakhe
very little
anesikhathi sokukwanelisa abantu
secret wayengabolwa kwakuhamba impi yakhe ihamba nemimoya yena ahlale kwi chamber and command that.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
Ahlale ku chamber and command.
Yeah.
Okay.
Le chamber wayithi meke wangena kuyona kube ne light strange ngabe qhamuka from the firmament. Bese kuthi le spaceship sikhanye. Sikhanye sekube light and nobody would come closer to that. Except for I demon, I jinn noma angel ecommanded ukuthi be present. Ngoba kukhona ama instruction afuna ukuyinikeza wona.
Okay. All right. Yeah, I know.
So uSolomon ke kwase kuba khona a woman. Solomon would not go to the same woman twice a week.
Okay.
But this particular woman, he found himself going more than 2 times.
Oh, bala.
I'll kiss you with Kamalaki.
Oh, okay.
So this particular woman then becomes pregnant. Now, uma lo munye umuntu esifazane ebona into estrange ngale ngane ebelethwe lo. Ebese iclaima engathi ayikho ingane umuntu esifazane owalala phezukwayo
Oh leso story asikho futhi ingane yafa babedakiwe
cabapha nje
sabaphuza badaka lomunye wapitches ingane yakhe waseyiswati.
That's the problem with religious history ngoba istory veni ifaka ingane kwaningekho.
What happened ngempela?
He jealous in the eyes of another woman when he sees a child who looks exactly like Solomon, potentially ongase futhi athathe over from Solomon.
Oh, so lomunye bese wa swapping nonjani?
The child had stars in his eyes.
Oh, okay.
Then Solomon waya immediately may approach her wabamba ring yakhe. Iring yavenya khanyisa lo mntwana lo okunena wengane. Akho Nkemba. Istory sankemba nokuthi wayezama ukuhlahlela ilokuthi wakubona ubuhlakani omnjalo. Ubuhlakani wave to analyze your own child.
Phela uthawa efuna ukubona verse ba unina.
Hayibo. He invoked the spirit of the ring of the pentagram. Then yakhanyisa umama
omntwana.
Yeah.
Yena shuthi uthingane yakhe futhi.
Yeah. Waseyamsusa in the junior palace. Wayomdeka in the left wing of the palace. Not far from la kwichamber yakhe la kwahlala khona spaceship sakhe. Allegedly umphongolozi umelwane.
What happened to lo mntana ukukhula kwakhe? Kuzongala lo mntana.
That's a problem which we do not know. Yeah.
Okay.
Legals know about what happened to the child of Solomon.
All right.
Now, in Africa, there was a problem. There was a woman uMakeda, naye owayenamanye ama-powers intongakazi azawubona.
Lo wathi ngifuna ukumbona lo machaza.
No. uSolomon owezwa ngaye.
Okay.
Wathi I can't believe every time if I'm in the spaceship, amalokuza ami angikhomba into this kingdom. Go and investigate for me. Zabuya inhloli zakhe, amajini. Athi yay.
That woman is powerful.
There is a woman. Uma usondela ungabikiwe, her legs look like that of a donkey. Uvena besilwana. But uma ubikiwe wathi wankosazana, was usondele, then ubona the real woman.
Na sho nemlingo yakhe.
Wayenezinto zakhe zokupreventa.
Preventana.
Ukuthi izitha
zingakwazi ukuthi isondele kuyena. Okay.
Uzokhumbula njengento eyenziwa by other queens eAfrica. Ama-Sorenasis 8 ayikwazi ukushifta aba ama-Black Panther. Yeah.
Were they okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ekhumbula lo ndaba. Some of our Sorenasis ayikwazi ukuthi ashifte abe yini?
Ama-Black Panther.
Abe Black Panther to avoid.
Now lento yokushift konta shape shifting it's demonic.
Is it demonic though? No, it's not.
It's not.
Yeah. Akasikahleni ukudlala amademon. Angithi lento introduce ama-Abrahamic religions. Every time when people had power kuthiwa demonic. So, uMakeda wahamba wantshontsha isihlalo sakhe uSolomon, the golden chair. Santshontshwa hayi abantu, santshontshwa amajini.
Kamakeda manje.
Kamakeda.
Osebenzwa namandla.
Cha, uzama ukumdonsa.
Phela.
uMakeda ebona isihlalo sakhe, he knew ngamaphakathi that is Slomo, ngiyakuyena. What he prepare my chariots, ba prepare washona khona. uSolomon membona approacha itepisi zetempele lesikhodlo. uSolomon avena afuna ukumginqa on the spot.
How?
I promise you, wafuna umlala on the spot. That's how beautiful Makeda was.
On the spot.
Yeah, on the spot. Yanqaba. Wamncenga uSolomon encenga uMakeda, iMakeda exibleka. What he did not come for that, I came for other things. Now, Slomo, being the sun worshipper, not Almighty God, the sun worshipper. Yeah. Nenkosazana ini umdumiswela.
Okay.
But inkinga ngabo, they seem to invoke different access to the sun.
Okay. So nalo nesithwalo sakhe enza ngenye indlela ilo.
Nalo wenza ngenye indlela. kodwa the access to power is
nakhona nje uQueen Makeda wasitshotha kanjani isihlalo sika
no uSolomon
Solomon ontshotha ama jeans etshotha isihlalo sika Ntombazana okay ukuthi hayi wabona lo ukuthi there's no one else ongakwazi ukuthenza kanje definitely
he knew ukuthi Solomon
okay
right so ke ubese lapha na ke ancenge kuSolomon efukulala noMakeda yabo amncenge uMakeda ixibulekele
phomnqoba
lalela ke bese kuthi athi ke at least ucela ukulala naye alale in the same chamber naye cabanga umsakulela chamber lemanga no woman had ever been inside the chamber and yet never had sex inside the chamber with any woman la kune spaceship khona bamphekela ukhari ke yabo kwakhona chef ke la so bapheka ukhari ongasuki phansi obabaya yabo awudla ukhari yabo now there is an allegation ukuthi emva kokudla ukhari uQueen Makeda wavuma
okay
ufithi wamseduce Solomon
right
yabo in other words uQueen Makeda walalwa ngokhari
how my vele how ayo the
wakhulelwa chamber wakhulelwa uvuka ekseni nje wathi ayisengiyahamba usekhulelwa but uSolomon was so attached ukuthi he started writing the songs of Solomon uthini umnando othandweyo wami amabele akho ngathi yini intaba zaseGilead phakathi komfuli Euphrates nenane angazi nani
ukhulishap uhamba nengana Solomon
uhamba eswini ekhulelwa
uyabuye Ethiopia ne
ubuyele emuva Ethiopia I'm not sure whether Queen Makeda wayazi so umobheka uMenelik ingane ka Solomon ayizala ku Queen Sheba wakwi one night stand yeah so amarafta I by protect you one night stand yangangishaya ngibulala
I think kumina because ukhulume nangensango nangani kodwa ke it's fine
could it have been Karen ombhemisa insango na God Solomon is known to have smoked cannabis
uma ngabe ukuthi iyayibhenywa nje obuchazile
no iyayibhenywa in Solomonic temple as part of
the worship
yeah.
which is kumina mangabe uvakashile entweni nomuntu efuna ukuexplorisa ikhona lento ukuthi no Queen Sheba abamunaye washaya la
washaya iqosha nje yabo
thabo
wadla nokhare zasha so mina ila ngiyengiqale khona ukuphika
okay
ukuthi Ethiopia has never been colonized colonized religion ka Solomon ayisebenzisa
angimthabo sis hey bamdabethe ayisebo
hayi nami ngizoyindlalela nje ngalo 5 minutes inkulumo ngoba vele sesithi ukuthi yes
ukuthi careful
yes no uSolomon wayeyinkosi impela enkulu sike salisho igama lakhe sethwe namagama u7 eBhayibhelini ngenxa yesikhathi iBhayibheli ngathi ngizoyifundela Queen Rejoice
ngoba manje
nakamfunda uJoshua
isikhathi sisavuma awufundele uJoshua mangawukhona iduze
ukhona sengimvulile uJoshua 2 what verse
verse 1 yeah
all right noma kuyi NIV le then Joshua son of Nun secretly sent 2 spies from Shittim go look over the land he said especially Jericho so they went and entered the house of a prostitute named Rahab
the house of Bani
prostitute
the house of what
prostitute
uRahab ukokho kabani
ka Solomon
Dobani no David nobani no Jesus afwele indodana kaJesu
okay
ake ngithi ukuthi ke kule ngithe amagama ayisikhombisa eBhayibhelini kodwa ke ngeke sawavula wayebizwa ngoSolomon uShlomo uAgur uNaki uKoheli uLemeli Ithieli Masa
How?
amagama kaSolomon wonke
Okay.
mowathule eBhayibhelini
All right.
mhlawumbe ukuzwe ema movie la wase America ama slaves isikhathi esiningi ama slaves ebiza ubasi ngomasa hayi ngoba ethi uthi master edidekile
abantu babecabanga ukuthi kusho master kanti no
kusho master ukuthi master kusho ukuthi the carrier of burdens umuntu othwala insizwa zabantu ukuhlupheka kwabantu so babela bayamuwoshipa umnikazi ifama mabembiza ngomasa ukuthi usithwele uthwele ukuhlupheka kwethu njengoba sikusebenzela so bona bayingceko zakhe uyena obathwele lo umnikazi wefama that's why bembiza umasa now ubuka ke leli gama lizosetshenziswa abantu abavelaphi eAfrica
yes
abantu abavele eAfrica ukuthi ilento engizama ukisho ukuthi amalento
sorry babudabethu asikwazi ukuyiflip asishift position
hayi right la ngoba ngiyayibona ngithi nami ngizama uyinqanda ingaba ukuthi ke noSolomon kwakuthiwa ke umasa ngoba wayithwele ukuhlupheka kwabantu kuyena uthwele insizwe zabo so ngezinye indlela ibongelo zakufana nokuthi nje inkosi uMisuzulu isilo umlomo ungathethi imanga amagama akhe onke ibongo zakhe so noSolomon ke naye wayinezibongo zakhe kunalawo magama abizwa ngayo ayibongo kodwa ke nemasiqazo kwesiqale encwadini yamakhosi okuqala uverse 3 ke uverse 3 ngizobona ukuthi ngenze njani manje kunamavesi engizowajomba encwadini yamakhosi okuqala uverse 3 ithi eGibiyoni uJehova wabonakala kuSolomon ngephupho ebusuku uNkulunkulu wathi cela lokho othanda ukuba ngikunike kona so uNkulunkulu uyena owavela uJehova kuSolomon wathi Solomon cela noma yini ufisa ngikuphe yona kuverse 9 ke mangijomba amavesi ngoba ngimshilo ngathi isikhathi siyasonakala uverse 9 ke uthi ngalokho yiphe inceke yakhe inhliziyo elalelayo ukwahlulela abantu bakho kuba ngahlukanise okuhle nokubi ngokuba ngubani ongahlulela laba bantu bakho abakhulu kangakanani masibuya soyiqhubha kahle ngoba manje sekuyileso sikhathi verse 9
all right okay yeah it is 10:30 emsakazweni Nanda 88.4 FM we taking a breath njengamanje and then we coming back siyakhokha nje kuphela bese siyabuya kuzoshisa kakhulu ke this time all right kumhla yeah asilungiseni uhlelo and then the topic is the dark side of King Solomon kuyavela ukuthi uSolomon uSlomo uDlomo wathatha lento wathatha into yokuphila econtrola ngendandatho thizeni elane spaceship futhi ayithwele nabo bonke laba besifazane bonke laba madoda siyabuya kulisonto ekseni umhla ka30 kuMarch 2025 Queen Rejoice Mabatho nawe ngalesi sikhathi khona Thabo Sambodo khona indaba enhle miyeza sithi nje ukuthula makwande la sikhuluma ke indaba ka King Solomon nesithola ukuthi uSlomo means the Prince of Peace ngisho kahle a Prince of Peace akena futhi uJesu.
How interesting.
Yabona ke manje mafika lapho ake ngisheshise nje ngidlule
right
uSolomon kahle uma uchecka maze kuthiwa amaJuda akhuluma ngoMesiya uyena yes ngoba phela kwathi uJesu uyoba inkosi yabaJuda akazange abe inkosi yabaJuda
akazange
umuntu waba inkosi uSolomon
right
umuntu owafika Israel wa create ipeace uSolomon uyena kwanomnotho kwana yonke into kwanenala kwaphela indlala kwaphela yonke into it was Solomon
okay
so uyena umuntu ongambeka ekutheni ungacisha uthi uyena mase kuthiwa akubheka inkosi enama qualities ukuba uMesiya kaIsrael wawufula wawakhe uba wakhe ithempeli
uSlow awalapha
uyena wakhe ithempeli so manje kuthiwa ngempela kubheka uMessiah ingokwe prophet ziyamfitha
okay
ziyamfitha uSlow but ke khona ke la sohamba sambe singene khona ngifunda incwadi lathi ngifunda amakhosi ukuqala uverse 3
right
chapter 3 awuthi nguqale lapha ku5 lapho nguqale khona eGibiyoni uJehova wabonakala kuSolomon ngephupho ebusuku uNkulunkulu wathi cela lokho okuthandayo ukuba ngikunike khona verse 9 ngalokho uthi ke uSolomon ngalokho ibhenqeke yakhe inhliziyo elalelayo ukwahlulela abantu bakho ukuba ngahlukanise okuhle nokubi ukuba ubani ongahlulela labantu bakho abakhulu kangakanani now uyasho uSolomon akubona abantu bami abakho mina ungibekile ukuthi ngibe njani ngibabheka abantu bakho now ke unginikeza umthwalo omngaka ke manje uthi ngibheke labantu ngicela ungiphe inhliziyo ke ungiphe nokuhlakanipha wisdom yokuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibaphathe labantu bakho 10 uthi ke u10 leyo nkulumo yaba yinhle emehlweni enkosi kuba uSolomon wacela leyo nto wathi uNkulunkulu kuye ngokuba ucele leyo nto ungazicelelanga izinsuku eziningi ungayicelelanga namfuyo ungacelanga futhi ukufa kwezitha zakho uzicelele ukwahlukanisa lokho okuzwayo ekwahluleleni bheka ngenzile njengezwi lakho nakho ngikunika inhliziyo nokuhlakanipha nokuqonda okungazange kube khona uthi uNkulunkulu ngokunika mina ukuhlakanipha sengikunikile ongakaze kube khona ukuhlakanipha ngizokunikeza okungazange kube khona okunjengakho ngaphambi kwakho nonke okungayovela futhi okunjengakho nasemva kwakho noma suhambile there will never be one like you akakho okahlakaniphe njengakho ngikunika futhi nalokho ongakucelanga imfuyo awuyicelanga ngiyakunika udumo awuyicelanga ngiyakunika ukuba kungayiba khona onjengawo phakathi kwamakhosi zonke izinsuku zakho uthi uNkulunkulu ngoba nengcebo uyicelanga kodwa mina ngizokunika ngizokunika konke lokho usethi ke ku14 indawo ebalekile kuNkulunkulu uma uhamba ngeindlela zami ugcina imiso zami nemiyalo yami njengalokho ihloda uDavid wahamba ngiyakwandisa izinsuku zakho uthi ke manje ongacela ngaka futhi ukwandelwa izinsuku so uma kodwa konke lokho uhambe ngendlela walalela wenza njengeyimiso zami ngiyimisile ngizokupha ke nezinsuku so ngizokupha iminyaka eminingi yokuphila uSolomon waseyaphaphama bheka kwakuyipho Jerusalem wayemaphambi komphongo lwezivumelwano esikaJehova wanikela ngeminikelo yokushisa wanikela ngeminikelo yokuthula wazenzela izingceko zakhe zonke idili right uyabona ke la ukuthi kwakwenziwa lento ekuthiwa izivumelwano wena ucelile mina ngiyakunika ke kodwa nanke icondition
ama terms
and conditions amnika
qina imiyalelo yami hambe ezimisweni zami
hey ngizoyibamba ngeBhayibheli nje ukuze ngoba isikhathi asekho kodwa ngifuna ukuyibuyisela eBhayibhelini right uSolomon ke enze njani ke hayi nangempela ke aphiwe lokuhlakanipha usekuchazela uDimbane awukhulisa umuso kaIsrael ube mkhulu manje umhlaba wonke njengoba kwazi wafika noQueen Makhetha nabo bonke ababusi omhlaba kings wonke omhlaba athi mayizofuna iwisdom aiza kuyena Solomon even ukutrader imali le umnotho wezwe etrader namazwe kwaukhulisa umbuso so amasu akhe ukutrade babeza bezoconsult again uthi wenza ngani wenza kanjani yabo kwahamba kuSolomon wathi bathi no ngukhulisa umbuso into angazange ayisho uNkulunkulu
esasikhulisa yena ngokwakhe manje
usengenwe igrade ke manje seyaqala ke manje inhliziyo ke manje indlela engizokhulisa ngayo umbuso ngizokwenza njalo sokukanselana nalabantu
okay
phela fanele bakanselane ukuze uphephe umbuso wakhe ngoba uma beganselene labantu aganselene nabo bakumhlobo ngeke bakwazi ukumhlasela
ngoba ganselwe
ngoba kuganselwe so uyihlobo nabo ngeke bamhlasele naye ngeke abahlasele wasethatha ke manje amakhosikazi ke kulama lokhuza amanye awubuvula incwadi kaDeuteronomy 7
right
mina ngizobe ngifunda enye la wena buvula uDeuteronomy 7 mina ngizofunda uDeuteronomy 17 verse 17 uthi ke uNkulunkulu ke akayuzandisela abafazi ukuze inhliziyo yakhe ihlubuka angazandiseli isiliva negolide uNkulunkulu ke loyo ke uthi ke inkosi ingabi namakhosikazi amaningi angazandiseli angabi maningi uke wakhuluma uDimbane la wathi uSolomon khona inkosikazi ayithanda kunamanye isihlabelelo seyihlabelelo 6 the book of Ecclesiastes Ecclesiastes ke enye incwadi kaSolomon eyindida kakhulu indida ngizofika nje kuyona kodwa ngizoke ngifunde ku Ecclesiastes u6:8 ithi amakhosikazi angamashumi ayisithupha nezancinza ezingamashumi ayisishagalombili nezintombi azinakubala ithi uthi uDavid ke usho yena la ipoem le mina ngiyicaphuna lapha
uSolomon
isikhathi
okay
ipoem le ayibhalele lenkosikazi ayithanda kakhulu kushuthi ayifavorite uthi nginamakhosikazi angamashumi ayisithupha nezancinza ezingamashumi ayishagalombili nezintombi ezingenakubala kepha ithuba lami opheleleyo wami munye nje usho lo nkosikazi ungoyedwa kunina ungekhethiwe wakhe owamzalayo so udla unamakhosikazi enjani awu6 iBhayibheli ke kodwa lithi ke lapha ya wena amakhosikazi awu700 la yena uthi wena awu6
nentombi he kodwa bebonke behlangene bafiki kulo
ukhuluma ngayo enzelele kodwa ke lapha kumakhosi 11 amakhosi oqala 11 read wayenabafazi abangamakhulu ayisikhombisa abangamadodakazi amakhosi yes 700 abangamadodakazi amakhosi futhi lapha ngenhla esenalo wa60 wayengakangenwa ilo moya lo wokuganiselana
namakhosi kwase hey madoda
alizizwe lezi awufunde leyo ncwadi ifunde ngithe ubani
uDeuteronomy chapter 7 uverse
Deuteronomy 7 nakho ngidukela iverse le ncwadi Deuteronomy 7
yes usho njalo
3 no 4
iverse 3 no 4 nalapho Jehova uNkulunkulu wakho ezinikela phambi kwakho uzinqobe wozichitha nokuzichitha ungenzi sivumelwano nazo ungabi namusa kuzo ungaganiselane nazo ungayiniki indodana yakhe indodakazi yakho ungathatheli indodana yakho indodakazi yakhe ngokuba uyakuphambukisa indodana yakho ekulandeleni ukuba bakhonze abanye uNkulunkulu into ukuthela kaJehova ikuvuthule akuchithe masinyane
umzwele lapho uJehova icondition ayibekile ku14 uthi uma uhamba ngeindlela zami ugcina imiso zami nemiyalo yami njengalokho yihle Jehova wami ngiyakwandisela insuku zakho David into yokuqala akayenza waphula lo mthetho kade ufuna waqala ukuganiselana nezizwe athe uNkulunkulu bangaganiselani nazo ngani
zizomhlubula ya zizomkhipha endleleni
yami bakwaqala wamixa nalabantu bazokhipha endleleni yami now kwenze njani ke bathe mabefika ke lamakhosikazi akhe awathatha kulezidli waqala wakha amashrine amalati awomoloki ababekhonza umoloko wafaka la ngizowakhela nonkosikazi wami naye ukuze ngaloku ahlupheka bayifuna ukwenza imicimbi usiko lakubo
akwazi ukuyenza
angithi unkosikazi mayifika kafiki yedwa this is a princess izoba iqueen ihamba nezisebenzi zayo noma kotshana ekuthiwa njengoba umuntu naye mayogana nje kezuthi uhamba noma kotshana yena uhamba nenqwaba ke because it's a princess abayomseva lapha ya la yoganela khona ibona abaziyo into zakhe iphathwa kanjani njoba nale kubo ube nabantu abamsevayo bayazazi izinto zakhe iphathwa kanjani udlani uphekelwani so ufika nenqwaba abantu mhlawumbe ufika no100 oyisebenzi mase befuna ukwenza imicimbi ke yokukhonza lezi ithixo zabo uSolomon usebakhela ke amashrine kutanka kamathempeli nizomkhonzela uMolok ababekhonza uEsther or Ashtaroth nakho kwenu ababekhonza whoever kwanenqwaba ke manje yithi
so sekuyinqoveva ngethixo manje la
sekwenzeka lento uNkulunkulu ayishoyo athi ebaya kukuphambukisa ibona ke futhi laba ke manje usehambe ecoshela ulwazi ke manje lokuthakatha nemlingo kubona labafazi bakhe angithi ke manje nomunye uzomxoxela phela ukuthi
thina
senza kanje bese hambe yalifuna lolu lwazi nawe yena une access emazweni ahlukahlukene ngoba phela baganiselene so uzothatha izithwalo zale eGhana athatha izithwalo zase eZimbabwe athatha izithwalo uzazi zonke manje so uzofuna osolwazi balamazwi bese hamba ethumela bakhe wagcina ke sekwazi ukuaccessa le power le wamanje uhlanganisa imoya yonke indawo waye siphambukile inhliziyo yakhe esivumelwaneni uNkulunkulu yasenzele naye wathi uNkulunkulu umuko abathatha labafazi bazohlubusa inhliziyo yakho
njobe sehlubukile nje
seqalile usiyahlubuka wayibona ukuthi usenepower yes
akusakho kuzokwela emuva
uSolomon njengoba kadeshwe udimbani ukuthi wayekwazi ukuthumela impehleli engathumela imabutho athumela imoya uyabona le nto le technology esisetshenziswa manje ukuthi bayahlala bathumela ama drones to Russia ne Ukraine awabanga amasosha kushana ama drone nalo thumela ama drone nalo thumela ama drone kushawane kodwa ibhano endiza phezulu alina pilot kuhleli icontroller la controlwa khona kubhubha abantu phansi ngabo so i-technology endala uSamson already wayeyisebenzisa uSolomon sengithi uSamson wayenayo nale technology ngamanje wayekwazi ukuthi access le moya ke yayi more powerful ke kunale yamanje ke kaSolomon le yamanje ayiboni ngeke kaSolomon ngoba wayekwazi uSolomon wakwazi ukukhuluma nezintuthwane awufuna intuthwane
uyacabanga intuthwane hey
wayekwazi ukuhlala itadisha akwazi ukuthi ukukhuluma nazo ayithume zihambe boze imbuyisele ama message
Ant-Man
intuthwane ingena la ngangeni khona umuntu ikwazi ukungena ngembobo encane ingene ihambe endlini ilalela ukuthi nithi ibuye izeSolomon ubuzomtshela ukuthi hayi ngibazwile laba bathi
awabuka ama movie I'm sure Ant-Man awumazi same thing yeah
bayithatha le story nesikaSolomon
intuthwane bayithuma bayicontrol zenze yonke into
bathathe le story nesikaSolomon ke leyo nto ukuthi wayikwazi ukuthuma
I love movies wabuka unganakile kanti kudikhodiwe nje kanti kunento efakiwe nje lapha
ama movies I want to validate amanye ama movies bathatha kule ncwadi kaSolomon the keys of Solomon
right
njengo Wakanda noba
okay
yeah
right
so uSolomon ke azenze lezi zinto zimhlubule agcina ke esenze izinto eziningi uNkulunkulu ayingahambisani nazo le ndaba siyiqale kahle ngiyale Declocos kaSolomon ngiza manje mina ukuyibusela eBhayibhelini nomunye umuntu ofunda iBhayibheli
ayibona
akwazi ukuyilandela khona but iBhayibheli liyinkinga ngoba likalibhala into othi ayifunda ungayitholi uyabona uSolomon uyazi ngisho iBiology ngalendlela lexakile ake sibheke uMshumayeli 2:14 ngibona uyifunde ngesiZulu
yeah so uMshumayeli chapter 2 verse 14 all right uMshumayeli 2 all right chapter 2 verse 14 ohlakaniphileyo unamehlo ekhanda lakhe kepha isiwula sihamba ebumnyameni nokho ngabona ukuthi umehlo munye wehlela bonke
awungichazela leyo nto
Uba umehlo munye.
Yabo iBhayibheli esiZulu lithi ufuna into ungayazi. Ngiyaphi nalento ukuthi incwadi ka Ecclesiastes umshumayeli. It's very deep.
Okay.
Uyabona uSolomon hayi ngoba ipoetic. uSolomon lapha ya le wayesefikela kuyisola isikhathi esiningi usiyabona imphelelo amandla uNkulunkulu phela ufika kuningi akutshele futhi yabona the reason uNkulunkulu enikeza ingcebo umuntu usuke emnika njengoba inikeza uSolomon uthi awuyicela ingcebo kodwa ngizokunika ngoba utheni uSolomon utshela abantu bakho labo mina ngibazi baphathwa kanjani so ngicela ungiphe ukuhlakanipha wisdom not intelligent ucela iwisdom ukuthi ngibaphathe ungiphe nenhliziyo ke ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngibaphathe uthi uNkulunkulu yazi ucela into abantu abangaze bangayicela ngenxa ukuthi ucele lokho wena kusho ngenye indlela uSolomon ukhombisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi abantu bakaNkulunkulu uyabathanda futhi uyabahlonipha so uNkulunkulu lento yakhe ebaluleke kangaka umuntu mina ngiphi ukuthi ngizoyiphatha kanjani uNkulunkulu ukuthi ngizokunika nongakucelanga usemnika umnotho ngoba wazi ukuthi uzodlulisela kubantu Solomon uthi yonke into yakhe ayigolide igodlo zakhe zazakhiwe egolide ayingakho into eyisilver ngizana kubuka le Sultan of what le
Sultan of Filokhuza
yonke into isikole sakhona sakhiwe ngegolide
toilet
kuthiwa ngisho isilver langangeni kuthiwa into cheap kabi silver yonke into cutlery was gold everything kangibuka le Sultan yonke into is gold so no Solomon now uNkulunkulu umnikelani kumnotho because uSolomon uzoshare lo mnotho nabantu baNkulunkulu uzo uplift abantu bakaNkulunkulu even today uNkulunkulu Mike blessa ngemali noma ngomnotho uzangakunikeli nje ukuthi hambe uyothenga amaLamborghini nani uhamba uphotha usuke kunikela ukuthi lekelela mina ngoba lo mnotho uNkulunkulu yakukhombisa ngisho ngane iguphi yakukhombisa uNkulunkulu ukuthi mina ngangivumile ukuthi lento ube nayo lento aphinda ithathe ivele phela uzibona usewile umuntu kade umuntu eyimillionaire avele esikhaleni kuphele konke uNkulunkulu useyakukhombisa ke manje ukuthi hey imina omdala la the fact ukuthi akakhuluma ngakwena njengoSolomon akuchazi ukuthi akuyena okuvumelile ukuthi ube nalo mnotho but lo mnotho ukunikele ukuthi usebenzise ukulekelela yena umlekelela ngani uNkulunkulu uzokwakha phela amafemu uzovula ama-wholesale ngisho akuthi uvula ibhizinisi elincane kodwa lelo bhizinisi elincane lakho lizoqasha abanye abantu ukuze bakwazi ukuthi basebenze bangalambi nabo bodla imindeni yabo uyamlekelela uNkulunkulu ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngeke zibe khona phela icrime uma abantu bonke besuthi icrime nje ikhona ngoba kuhlushekiwe ayisekho imisebenzi akukhulu kodwa unayo wena imali kunokuthi uyisebenzise ukuthi ufide abanye abantu uNkulunkulu kodwa uzoyithatha egcineni mase ithathe uzosala ungenalutho mayengayithatha ngakwena uzokwenza njengoDavid uthi David wena David uthi kuSolomon nje akuSolomon uthi yazi lo mbuso ngizowuthatha kodwa ngeke ngiwuthathe kuwena ngenxa yakayihlo uDavid ngizothatha endodaneni yakho uRehoboam nangampela uNkulunkulu wenza njalo so uyakwazi ukuthi uNkulunkulu akubuke wena asithi sifi isigwili uze kuthiwa ingane zakhe ibangeza bangazabanga kwaphela yonke into ayikhona ngobani kwayena lo wamnotho ayenawo akawusebenziselanga ukulekelela uNkulunkulu kwayize lezi amaSulumane njengamanje eRamadan azoqeda iyaphela inyanga iduku ngasube kusasa they are not sure kuzoya ngenyanga ngaba kusasa ngaba ngolesibili ngaba kodwa nje suka kusasa sebeyibhekile mayivala ifasting yamaSulumane ngikhuluma ngabantu abanemali kuzobe kuphuma imali mabevala nje ifasting seziyapi kulama organization either ama NGO what laba abanama soup kitchen laba abanama banikela bakhipha imali yabo manje ukulekelela uNkulunkulu amaZulumane nama rehab kodwa ama drugs notshwala into ephansi kabe emaSulumaneni but banama rehab asiza zona ingane zamaKristu lezi ezisetshwaleni nezisewungeni kodwa amaKristu awanawo ama rehab ngokuba imali yamaKristu ayimsizi ngalutho uNkulunkulu isiza upastor ama leaders kuphela amaSulumane akama rehab enze yonke so no Solomon ke kuhambe kwahamba wathatha imali kaNkulunkulu wakhela abanye onkulunkulu bezinye izizwe amaladi la ezweni kaNkulunkulu ayithe uNkulunkulu iyona into ke
yabaqhaza abantu laba kade besehlizweni
yakhe wakhohlwa abantu wakhohlwa uNkulunkulu
Nkosi yami
usazobhala ke lelo khuzi lencwadi lekaMshumayeli khona lento engithe ifunde le engithe ifunde ake ngiyifunde ngesingisi ithi the wise man's eyes are in his head but the fool walketh in darkness and I myself perceive also that one event happeneth to them all the wise man's eyes are in his head ukhuluma ngani uSolomon la ukhuluma ngalethi i-third eye pineal gland
okay
kodwa ngeke uyithole mawuvela uzoyika phezulu kodwa mawufunda eCecclesiastes uzomthola kahle mayihamba nale ndaba ukhuluma ngepineal gland already uSolomon yilo lwazi ke iBhayibheli ngithi mina likwele libhale basebenzela ukuthi ungafici ukuthi kukhulunywa ngani uSolomon la khona la ikhuluma khona ngemali yabona mawufuna ukwazi ngemali ufunda eCecclesiastes mawuzothola umuntu ozokhulushela kahle as the principles kaSolomon ayiwasebenzisa okwenza imali ukuthi kwakuthiwani kuthiwa yini lento Solomon's Code ibizwa kanjalo kuthiwa yini Solomon's Code khona into enjalo la khona nabantu mabekhuluma ngemali noma abelungu kakhulukazi lamasonto abo bekhuluma ngo financial freedom bafundisa ngeSolomon's Code ukuthi lolu lwazi uSolomon ayenalo walidayisa kanjani elidayisela izizwe ngoba lamakhosi ayifika ezala kuyena ezokhonsatha uSolomon kwangewona mahala ayifika ephethe igolide uMakhethe efika lapha ya wafika kuthiwa wayiphethe wayize negolide nani namazinye indlovu wayiphethe umnotho ozofula so ulwazi wayekwazi ukudayisa so ngithi makukhulunywa ke ngelento le ngeSolomon's Code ukube abafundisi omthembu laba abafundise ngeSolomon's Code ukuthi abantu bangahlupheki kuthi noma unolwazi ulwazi onalo udayisa kanjani ingqondo yakho uNkulunkulu yakuphi ukuhlakanipha lokuhlakanipha kwakho kuphendula kanjani ukuze kukwazi ukuthi kukuphilise yileyo nto ke iSolomon's Code mawufunda eCecclesiastes lapha kukhona incwadi enjalo ekwazi ukukufundisa ukuthi lento oyiphiwe wena uNkulunkulu how do you turn it around uyenze into ongayiphilisa ngazo it was noma yini ngisho ukukhuluma lokho uyakwazi ukuthi ukuphendule kube imali uNkulunkulu ngoba ukuphila indlela ukuthi khuluma ubize amasemini ubize whatever abantu uzobafundisa uyokhuluma bagcwala so iyona ke indlela yakho uSolomon le ayimphila uNkulunkulu ayikwazi ukwenza ngayo futhi umnotho lolwazi lolayinalo aphinda anceleka athole nakulezinye izizwe masibuya ngalena wena Queen Ritual kusekhona imizuzwana
kusele 2 minutes yeah
2 minutes ayimkhulu awufunde futhi uMshumayeli 1:9
right Mshumayeli chapter 1 verse 9 right
uSolomon ke la uNkulunkulu useyamphuca ke manje sekuyaphela ukuhlakanipha
okay all right Mshumayeli nalivesi okunezo okwake kwaba khona yikho okuya kuba khona nokwake kwenziwa yikho okuya kwenziwa akukho okusha phansi kwelanga
there is nothing new under the sun uyabona ke le kwangathi futhi usengenwe nawo ukuhlubuka kanti wayesebuka uSolomon ngoba manje ukhuluma lento ukuthi there's nothing new under the sun ukhuluma lento ade siyikhuluma last week age of Kali yokho ukuthi kunama age awu4 if ihambe uqala kube yesibili kube yesithathu kube ka4 mase kufika ka4 bese kubuyelwa kweyokuqala futhi yabo ukuthi there's nothing new kusazoba nale stititi lesi bese siyabuya futhi sibuyela lapha kwi golden age iphina futhi golden age alandelana kanjalo njalo ke manje usho njalo uSolomon uthi yazi uthula useyacabanga kodwa yazi ayikho into entsha phansi kwela ungazi uthi nje njengoba bengiphila mina lokuhlakanipha kwami noma lokugwili bami mina ngedwa ngazi ukuthi akaze zibe khona ezinye izigwili hayi usafika ukuhlupheka manje useyabuka ukuthi yazi yonke lento iyizeleze yabafazi bama bangaka nemali yami engaka kodwa egcineni ngilethela ukuhlupheka ngiseyigoqa mase ngibuka
angeke ukwenza kwakhe asakhala all right Samsenda benda bonke ngamaphumulo wazabongeka 8.5 FM uhlelo silungiseni angazi kwenzakalani isikhathi sivele sikhalela phinde futhi hayibo wangimazi umthembo wenze njani mfundisi kwaphinda izinto 11 minutes after 11 isikhathi ekseni kumhla ka30 kena kuMarch 2025 besikhuluma ke about the dark side of King Solomon. All right, Thabo ngicela sivele nje singene kuyona ngigijime nami ngekumlaleli na umshumayeli 99 ngicela ngikephi ngicela ngokusizulwini. All right, so umshumayeli chapter 9 uverse 9. All right. Lithi ke thokoza ngokuphila nomkakho omthandayo zonke izinsuku zokuphila kwakho okuyize oziphiwayo phansi kwelanga zonke izinsuku zakho eziyize ngokuba lokho kuyisabelo sakho kulokho kuphila ngomshikashika wakho owushikashikayo phansi kwelanga. I'm so confused. Solomon abhalela
yeah.
Imali thokoza ngokuphila nomkakho omthandayo. Is he regretting the 700 wives and 300?
Yebo.
Oh,
ngithi sesibuela lana ukuthi uSolomon ufike kwaqala kahle.
Yeah.
noNkulunkulu ambless. Phakathi nendawo wenza into uNkulunkulu athi akangayenzi.
Yeah. Yes.
Yahamba yamshaya. Uzobhala lencwadi ke lekuthiwa umshumayeli uyayisola kahle secishe kodwa uNkulunkulu khona kunjalo wayicike kakhulu uNkulunkulu ngoba wazi wathi umbuso uzowuthatha uzohlakaza ngoba ngiyacabanga ukuthi uNkulunkulu wayesebona noRehoboam ukuthi uzokwenza wese. Khumbula uRehoboam asehambile uSolomon ngoba uSolomon wayeseba oppressor ngisho abantu bakaNkulunkulu bekhale bathexa ebahleli la. Uthe mayiseshonile uSolomon baya kuRehoboam ubaba wakhe ayobesigqilaza ndona and base becabanga ukumketula kwabantu uhamba nje ba plan ukumketula kwayena ukuthi ngeke umuntu lo uyasigqilaza kanti uzovela amthatha uNkulunkulu base beya kuRehoboam
isikhathi sasiphelile ade uNkulunkulu nakhona wasemthathiswa ukuthi wathi ngenxa kababa wakho angenzeki
uSarehoboam bayaGrehoboam abantu badlalela bathuma uJeroboam kuRehoboam sikhulumele nalo umtshela ukuthi simisela ukuba simseve yena provided akazosigcilaza njengoyisi ubaba wakhe ubese sihleli kakhulu so akenze u1 no2 no3 ehlisa ama tax nani wasethambani nibuye after 3 days wahamba uRehoboam uconsulta nabangani bakhe wabuya abantu mabebuya 3 days wathi hey baba wanishanga izwe mina ngishanga ofezele in fact ngayinyusa kwaleyo taxana le nithi nina kwakucheck so waqinisa kakhulu ila ke umbuso usuhlakaze kakhulu wenza ngamabomu noNkulunkulu uthi lo akabe more harsh kunoyise ngoba vele usefuna ukumphuca ubukhosi lo wase uhlakaza ke wasethatha ke the 10 tribes wanikeza lo uJeroboam wasemshaya noThulo kwasekuhlukana kanjalo ke umbuso kaIsrael wakhona north south uhlukana kanjalo uyamuza lapha kumshumayeli 99 ukuyisola kwakhe uthi thokoza ngokuphila nomkakho umthandayo ungaloku ucabanga ukuyiphathela istress ube nabafazi abaningi uthi banomkakho uze yonke into phela manje yabona ukuthi uma isa regret esebathi yazi uthi konke kuyizelezo uthi yonke lento engangithi khona buka manje mina njani ayikho yonke lento engangithi khona ayikho bengiyikhohlisa it was all in vain yonke lento engangithi khona ngikhumbule futhi enye into la abayibanga kakhulu uSolomon noNkulunkulu khona lo mdlalo lo nakuse ngukhohlwa igama lawo
Oh yes.
Lo ukudlala lapha eBish.
Lokwehlisa
lokho bekwinduku. Bathanda ukudlala ebusuku bese kubasa umlilo kanje. Abantu mabeBish ebusuku bese kubekwa induku ke bese kulokwehliswa abantu bechusha ekugcineni uqhusta ngokuthi uhluleka ukuchusha
induku
ungayithintanga bese uyawo bese kuba ke okuyena ozochushisa ilowest induku uyena akugcina ngazi ukuthi uyiwina kodwa akekho kwazi ukuchusha ngoba iloku yehliswa nje yehliswa so uSolomon unomunye amakhosikazi amlandile laba kulama princess lawa awazomenza iqueen Uthi lo nkosikazi Solomon une shrine la ekameleni la le queen kune shrine ezithixo zakubuka lo nkosikazi lo nkosikazi uthandaza kulezi izithixo la endlini. So now ufuna uSolomon aguqele izithixo zakubo uSolomon wayebavumela amakhosikazi akhe ukuthi amakhosikazi akhe ukuthi akhonze izithixo kodwa yena engayikhonzi. So lo nkosikazi ufuna ukumkhombisa ukuthi mina ngakwenza kodwa ukhonze uNkulunkulu bami. Uthi uSolomon ngeke hayi ngelinyanga idlule leyo nto inganako uNkulunkulu lo nkosikazi bese ethi uSolomon mayivakashelele lo nkosikazi uyamfica ubeka intambo emnyango athi mayivula umnyango uvulela kule ntambo. uSolomon awu yini le ntambo uthi ha khona umdlalo engifuna ukubona ukuthi khona umdlalo esiwudlalayo lengasekhaya lo ukuchusha kule ntambo hayi achusha uSolomon aphume ngaphansi ngakusasa uyafika ithe ukwehliswa. Uthi ngifuna ukubona ukuthi uzochusha uzufike iphi hayi aphinde uSolomon ago
emnandi naleto ngathi uyidlala nesithanda sakhe
manje mayize kwisithanda sakhe sithi isithanda sakhe ngifuna ukubona uflexi kanjani hayi aphinde achushe agobe kuthe egcineni wathi uyachusha ngale ndlela okubona ekudlalwa ngayo lapha nowamdlala wayese ewa ngamadolo uwa ngamadolo kunale shrine la uthi mayithi uyaphakama uphakamela kuyona uthi unkosikazi ngakutshela ngathi yobaguqela uNkulunkulu bakithi mina nakho baguqele nje manje. Leyo nto ke leyo futhi yamcunula uNkulunkulu uthi awubheka uguqela izithixo umfazi usekuluthe ngale ndlela uboni ukuluthela ukuthi iguqela izithixo nakho ngempela uyiguqelile uyiphambuka usile inhliziyo yakho Solomon wayethi uhlakaniphile yena kodwa manje uzobhithwa unkosikazi uzombhithi ukuthi
le nto kwakuthiwa bangaganiselani
uzombhithi ukuthi aguqele izithixo ngendlela engaqondile bagcina eselokuzini.
1 minute ukhuluma choice.
Yes baba.
Ngifuna ukuvalidate yonke into short. Uzusihloko sithi the dark side of Solomon.
Yes.
But what Utabo has done is genius work. Ukuthatha the light side of him that made people remember him. But there was the side that engiliphethe. Ngakhe lokuthwala. Isi ubuzo izinto ezintathu. Uthi omunye mbuzo uthi Nkosi iziphi izinto ezikumangazayo which is the way the eagle in the sky mangibuka amalokhozi. Remember this is the guy who talks to this uyazi ukuthi ukhozi ndizanja nukalibone akhulume nanubendezi bese ngimangaliswa ukubona inyoka imihleli phezwaje indlela ethamela ngayilanga athi mangihamba oseleni lolwandle ngiyengibone indlela imkhumbi ehamba namagagas nemimoya and bese ngikhumbula umuntu uma elele nomuntu osifazana oyintombi into khonto yenzakalayo kuyena uchaza ukuthi akuqhumi high memory qhumi indoda. Yeah, that's also okay. So ngiyaphila ngiyakhona khona choice uSolomon wayekwazi abakumina the greatest lesson engifunde ngoSlomo wayekwazi ukuhlanganisa ubuhle nobubi bomsebenzele on both ends.
All right.
Yes, uqinisile uThabo methi at some stage ububi bakhe bathreatenish ukuqhakaza kakhulu. Labantu besifazane ayibalanda abanye vele babesebenzisa imimoya. Yabo ikhona abanye abantu abayebathi uSolomon was a man of foolishness. Ungathukumza abantu besho njalo. Wayne wisdom ngiyaphika ukuthi wawiswa abantu besifazane. uSolomon wawiswa lento ayenza serious. Kodwa singasho ukuthi ke wayeyifunde kwabanye abantu besifazane ayinobudlelwane nabo.
Okay.
He had conquered himself, discipline, self-discipline. What Solomon it applies in every area. But sibele kumphongolo wesivumelwano. Yabo uSolomon there is damning evidence okufika emaphungolo. Wayehamba ngani?
Hayibo, hamba ngani?
Wayehamba ngani spaceship sakhe. Yeah. Phecelezi umphongolo wesivumelwano.
Okay.
uSolomon wayekwazi ukhomanda i-discipline emzini wakhe engekho ngoba kumakhosikazi akhe wonke kwakungaze kuthi ukhona kanti imimoya nengelesi zobumnyama ezazirun household yabo and akekho umuntu uSolomon uma kwichemba yakhe esenza imgilingwane ecommand izulu ecommand izimpi ecommand amandla emimoya ngoba lento iyayi affect the entire palace of women and ikhumbula now if into ke ngifuna ukuyi-understanda ile area la ukuthi kuma worship temples zakhe kwakusetshenziswa insaka ukuthi lama hallucinogens ayikwazi ukuthi ezothi abantu babe euphoric bagcine sele nembono eyenzakalayo na
jo hayi
kamala le game ekade ngisho
limbo cala kumlaleli
asiyumlaleli
hey lesson isifundo sosuku bafethu aneliseka ilokhu umdala kuphekona mina into engiphume nayo Ndake greedy ukuba ingenanga
ngicela ukubingelela studio elokhulumayo usangweni hayi ngicela ukuphawula la kule ncazelo echazwa ubaba uMiyeza ngoSolomon ukuthi wayethwele wayekhomanda amademoni kanjalo njalo cha ngiyavumelana kakhulu naye and lento hleze siyixoxa ngihleze sikhuluma sakudlala nabantu engijwayele ukuxoxa nabo bangani bami ngithi mina no akwazi ukuthi umuntu ophilayo emhlabeni angaba namakhosikazi awu 700 impossible hayi ngeke angivumelani ngeke akwazi asikhulumi la ngo70 asikhulumi la ngo17 or 77 sikhuluma 700 yakwazi so kusobala ukuthi vele wayenengelo senamademoni ukuthwala kusho ukuthi kudala yonke eqala manje labantu abathwele nje bavukelwa ile moya le yakudala yayikhona ayikho lento ngathi kunzima kuba nabantu abawu2 wabantu bangakanani ke 700 hayi uyinganekwane phela leyo
yeah. Thank you. Yes, ma'am.
Spiritual sisters, emasontweni amanye 2 have confessed ukuthi if behleli bebuka if spiritual fathers abo they become sexually aroused.
Kuthini phola kumfundisi kulonto? Ngiyaqosa ukubamba off guard. Yazi ufanele ngomlalela taxi.
Kula befundisa abathwele though.
Kusini kulaba
abathwele yeah.
2 minutes 1 minute 30 seconds ngaqolisa ukubamba off guard manje ula eduze wami
yakubingelela King Rejoice
yes
mfundisi there's been I'm sharing this with sincerity there's been people who have approached me spiritual daughters which they felt spiritually aroused now these are 2 different people who came to me in confidence and at different times they don't come from the same church.
Okay.
But they have a knowledge ukuthi oma spiritual fathers abathwele.
Okay kuma ikaze ifike kumina and mhlawumbe angaze ngibuzisise kahle so angeke ngikwazi ukuphendula uphawula into eqondile but it is nature ukuthi uma kodwa kithi Queen Rejoice but it is nature ukuthi umubuka umuntu of the opposite sex ufeel attracted yeah so I will assume ukuthi ke they were that level I'm not sure
mfundisi apologies
aqinisele ngaye manje kubuye emoya yakudala
kubuja manje abantu bethwele nje thole ngisho abefundisi
angilento iqala la iqalwa abantu futhi eminye le moya ukuze angiya ke le ndaba ngathi ngizolanda khona lo mama ngathi ngizomlanda uzoyichaza lezi zinto
uzomkhumbula alright uSamuel wesibili chapter 12 verse 9 to 12 or verse 9 to 11 alright ulifayile umlaleli udeleleni izwi lika Jehova ukuba wenze ukube emehlweni akhe na ubulele uUriya umHethi ngenkemba wathatha umkakhe abe ngumkakho wambulala ngenkemba yabantwana bakwa Amon uNathani wathi kuDavide nguwe loyo muntu usho kanje uJehova uNkulunkulu kaIsrayeli uthi ngakugcoba ube inkosi phezulu kwaIsrayeli ngokuphula esandleni sika Saul ngakuphula esandleni sika Sawule ngakunika indlu yenkosi yakho nabafazi benkosi yakho lesifubeni sakho ngakupha indlu yakwaIsrayeli neyakwaJuda uma lokhu bekukuncane ngangiyokwenzela lokhu nalokho ngalokho inkemba ayikusuka endlini yakho ngokuba ungidelele wathatha umka Uriya umHeti ukuba abe ngumkakho usho kanje uJehova uthi bheka ngiyakuvuselela okubi okuvela endlini yakho ngithatha abafazi bakho phambi kwamehlo akho ngibanike umakhelwane okay ukuthula uDavide wakujezela ukubulalisa uUriya umHeti izingane zakhe zabulalana enye yadlwengula udade wabo enye yamvukela yafuna ubukhosi uDavide wabaleka walala emahlathini indodana yakhe yalala nabafazi baDavide okay
ngitheni buyele kuRahabu buyele emuva kuRahabu ukhokho kaJesu
okay
ukhokho kaJesu wayidayisa ngomzimba ngithi buka ke manje ingane kaDavide zidlala noba zidlala nodade wabo uDavide wenze njani in fact there is evidence ukuthi uSolomon one of the women akulo 700 kwakuyinkosikazi encane kababa wakhe.
Oh right.
Yeah. Njengoba ngikutshela
kulaba khosikazi kaSolomon
one of them unkosikazi unkosikazi baba wakhe.
All right. Athi hi Ndlunkulu.
uJedida
bayisikhathi okay 3 minutes. Hi Ndlunkulu.
Hayi igama lakho Solomon uJedida.
Okay. Hi Ndlunkulu bamntu benhle babsamboti and listeners. I hope we'll find a solution to undo the mind shackles causes by what you shared. Each name carries power that attracts positive or negative things. Solomon's name carried power. Then in our journey, do we carry the soul's purpose to the end, or we change our journey once we are given the powers attached to the name? It's possible Solomon or David were not meant to be promiscuous, but later he changed his soul's purpose by his name in blessings. E.g., some SA politicians are changed after drowning in power. Name and power are doing what our soul's purpose was meant to on earth. Are we marrying the people we are supposed to marry? Do we work a job that we were supposed to do? From PL Madlamin Utigela, we should do an introspection to check if we are working towards achieving our soul's purpose for this birth, or busy chasing positions of power, recognition, riches, women, men, etc. Change our ways. All of us from PL Madlamin.
Okay,
thank you for this. Thank you for this. Yes.
Couldn't choice. Sociologically, amadoda afika hambe khupha abantu besifazana azalingana mhlambe sezibo5 engashadile. I swear, when that man gets married, he won't marry a woman who he loves. He will marry a woman who's people lingana zakhe. So many men are married to women they don't love.
Think
about this.
Yeah, that's true.
Women who fall from different women.
Yeah.
Best attitude yakho nongafuna ukondla. Bazijikelekini. Bese uba ne pressure to marry a woman. Probably uze utolerate ukuthi unengane naye.
Yeah.
So unengane ezo6.
Yeah.
So I swear, you are not marrying a woman you love. You are desperate. You are marrying a woman okwazi ukukhulisa abantwana.
Yeah, that's true. I totally agree.
Yeah.
Totally.
Asam, let's take a breath and come back. PL Madlamini, once again, let me just say thank you so much for comment yakho in amandla. Umuntu nomuntu, I think take some time and find your soul purpose kulomhlaba. Mhlawumbe ubusy nje ucomplain ngaka ngomsebenzi owenzayo vele ngeke uzube happy. Akuyona into ayizele emhlabeni leyo.
Manje uringi kaSolomon uthi emnikeze access kumapha ama powers. One where was summon the register of demons and take authority over them. Our tume amademons namajini nemimoya. Why wasebenzisa for his own good end? I'll be honest about that. The fact that I was ulandi igolide uthi is alluded to that. Yeah. wayekwazi ukudiscerna ngisho association too ekwazi ukuthi makunem Thabo I don't know mention kodwa ucishe wayengakhona uSolomon wayazi kuzoba nendlala khona family and disease but into wrong ayisuka yenze wayelanda abafazi bakhona bazoba
angayenzi ipurpose yakhe uNkulunkulu tambekeleyo
alekelele lezizwe ithola ukudla yabo and then traveling through invocation ekwazi ukinvoke ilanguage yama angel he's the only person who ukukhuluma into ekhulunywa yama angels awabize emesela ama angels amanye uzowathumela izinto ezinhle amanye wathumela ama magical powers but what are magical powers ukuthakatha lokho
asami
Asilungiseni with Queen Rejoice.
Welcome back uhlelo asilungiseni emsakazweni Nanda 88.5 FM sikhathi 25 minutes before 12 o'clock umhla ka30 insuku amashumi amathathu Vilas okay
yeah
yasiqhubeke ndisela kuSolomon content ngiyikhumbula kodwa ngiyabona ukuthi isikhathi akusona sikhumbuza skills ngubane the hunger for more was his downfall unganeliseki kubi unganeliseki uma ngabe ungumuntu keeping lokhu lambele okunywa lambele okunye athi futhi ulwazi oluningi luhle lubi ngalokho ke waba exposed into olwazi noningi
yazi uNkulunkulu ngazi ukuthi lesiqalekiso noma mhlambe uSolomon kwaba uyena uNkulunkulu abona ngayo ukuthi abantu engabaniki manje ngibani okubu ake sithi sishiye kuSolomon sibuke manje abantu abanotho manje ukuthi imphakathi bayisiza ngani yazi icrime la inandi ngaqedwa imali abantu abanemali ingane ayiswele icathulo zoke esikoleni napho mfekayo isiphusha imali sifake ngifekayo njengeli ingane isicathulo imndeni engenakudla bakhona abanza lokho
ngasekhaya ukhona nje owayemisela kuphela
ugogo la encabeni ugogo lo wayondla ingane la wayenze umsebenzi omkhulu kabi
akasekho ngene ecathulweni
wayengondliwa ke nemali ayokondla ingane wenganikwa nabantu abamnyama kokwenza amandena belo so icrime izibe khona nje sikhale nathi it's because lokho esinakho asifuni ukukusebenzisa ezikhali zokulwa nezinkinga
esibhekene nazo
wonke umuntu ufuna kuba ukwami fanele ngibe ngcono mina nginabo bonke abantu bakhothamele mina that's the problem nathi
hey siprasta
uSolomon i power that he had kwaku self discipline wayekwazi ukudiscipline imoya emibi ekwazi ukudiscipline nemoya emihle wayekwazi ukorganize imoya emibi ukuthi imenzele into ayidesireyo wayekwazi ukudiscipline imoya emihle ukuthi increase the level of discipline so meaning to say discipline across the spectrum the fact that we're showing from a demon it's amazing to me
it is
and akhona lo demon la lamzamo uSolomon under control but the ring
I don't think though ukuthi amademona namandla
no awanawo amandla
I think ithina
sinamandla ngaphe obuka abantu abanjengonana unana uyena controla amademoni
unana Bhonsami yeah
onani bona bawacontrolayo amademoni lawa anika abafundisi
it's just as ukuthi asinalo ulwazi
yes
lokuthi how to manipulate or control but I don't think that
mase sina ingakho akodwa Nkosi angimtholi umuntu yonke lento vele ngipusha ngiyakutshela into azovela ngale
ngithi uma umfundisi ungawasebenzisa amademoni esona
bawasebenzisa
uthi ungawa
bayawasebenzisa
anunana vele bawalanda
hey ubasakaza ngibingelele emsakazweni kuyisonto ekseni zanazo okay siyabonga kakhulu wesobha likaphaya kwabawudlayo lapha neMayville uthini inkosi yamavonto ayandandaba athi yes he was not an upright man he dabbled in dark sources too wayenothatha lento ayinangozi thatha lento ayinabungozi hayi madoda amuzokhona njengase okay interesting topic oyilaba bangene before sikhuluma Kings Fiso smooth sabantwana bekubiyela senzeni sengimane nje ngiyadlula ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi baphawule singakakhulumi kakhulu ngiphinde futhi ngichecke WhatsApp ngikukhumbuza mlaleli number ka WhatsApp it's 0647649969 0647649969 sisa kukhona ku WhatsApp ngicela ukuza okay la
88.4 anginibingelele inanda FM ke asilungiseni ngisemhlabeni waseToni ngwakamfukeni dumelang sanibonani molweni
Dumela
no ngithi ake ngicaphunela khona amagama alinwathinta emani saqala la ubabumeza ebebuza khona ngokuthi ubani wabekilembe iyafana nalento ukuthi ubani wabekumsheshe kodwa ake ngiyize kule ndaba leka Solomon uma nithinta indaba ngokuzaleka kwakhe uSolomon uDavide la ngokwaleli vesi mina noma kwakwaleli iBhayibheli engilifundayo uSamuel wesibili uchapter 12 wakhona ngizocaphuna kuphela amavesi ukuze kube fast uverse 18 no verse 22 wakhona ke no verse 23 kodwa ke umuntu angayifundela ke la ifundela khona ke olalela uSolomon ngokwaleli iBhayibheli engiliphethe akazalwanga yena ngalendlela ekufeba umntwana lo uDavid wayemfebe nalonkosikazi kaOriya wafa kuverse 18 lo mntwana wase kuzothi ke uSolomon yena emva kokuba nje nekufa umntwana kuverse 24 waleli chapter lenikhuluma ngalo ila khona kuzaleke khona ke uSolomon wayeseba nalezi stories zakhe ke zabafazi abaningi lento yokuba namakhosikazi la amaningi uSolomon ayibenanga iyafana nalento nalomlando lo njoba ulikade nifunda ivesi lokuthi akukho kusha emhlabeni konke kuye kwaba khona only to find out ukuthi iBhayibheli inhloso yalo kwakudukisa kwihistory yangempela because mawusuthi uyabuka iBhayibheli ilona lodwa noma ilona lodwa iclass noma isona sothi isikole abantu abas-attenda abangasiqedi kusukela njena ngiyingane ngifundiswa njena uDidri noma ngifundiswa njena uAbraham umuntu usezwaba nentshebo safundiswa njena ngoAbraham so iBhayibheli vele kwakuyisystem yokwehlisa ifu elimnyama ezingqondweni zabantu yingakho ngithi mina asilifumini iBhayibheli ngiyalifunda ngoba inhloso yami ukuli-understand ukuze sibuyise abantu abamnyama abadukise ngalo kangangokuthi umuntu mayedukise meduke kade egibela ibhanoyi mawumbuyisa ngestimela noma ngetekisi uzolahleka funeka umbuyise ngaleyo transport alahleke ngayo ukuze akwazi ukubona la eyakhona so nalo ke iBhayibheli into kanjalo nje mina ngiyalifunda but I understand inhloso yami ukusuka ukuthatha lento okuyiyona engene kakhulu ezingqondweni zabantu abamnyama ukuthi baphuma kuNkulunkulu wabo bese bengena kulo nkulunkulu waseBhayibhelini iBhayibheli nje ziningi kabi izinto la ezidukisa thina abantu abamnyama istate ukuthi nje thina sicabanga izinto ezibalekile esingakwazi ukuziphilisa sibhizi sifundana nalo iBhayibheli akukho nala khona sike sathi masiphaphama sesithi sengiyakwazi nami ukwenza iselfoni ngiyakwazi ukwenza njena insimbi ngiyakwazi ukukhanda imoto ngiyakwazi ukwenza iBicycle asikwazi ukwenza because sibulawe ngalo iBhayibheli exactly lento lebuyela kumshweshwe umshweshwe the only to find out sidukiswa kwihistory esikoleni sifundiswa ukuthi uma ena 45 years wayesenamakhosikazi awu 45 only to find out wayenamakhosikazi awu 140 kulamakhosikazi eyakhe inkosikazi endala le wayithathelwa baba wakhe wathatha endlini kaMfukeni indodakazi le yasebukhosini bakwaMfukeni wayese la khona kwenzeke khona yonke lento le esesifundiswa namhlanje bakuthiwa umshwana abesuthu bana 200 years basungulwa amangalihlaza leyo so lento iyahambisana nayo sonke lesi story sila iBhayibhelini ngicela ukwehlela ngezansi ke God bless you.
Thank you so much Ntate ngizwela kuthiwa kunomsuthu odingakala kuthiwa wonke umuntu nje wathi nje Khotsong wathi Dumela wathi Ntate akathatha valelo kuyobona phambili ukuthi ilofunwayo yini ngela cabanga wena wamfukeni cela udlula phambili. All right ayandaba yes Solomon had a shrine or umsamo. If one reads Song of Songs zika Solomon it is quite clear that Soli wayeyisifebe sendoda and his demons zakhe were fed by plenty sexual conquest, hence he had plenty wives and plenty concubines. Isithwalo sakhe sasimethenwa ngocansi and lento is still happening today. Yo
yeah
#Solomonism atsibong babudabadla
ukuyilokusa ngake ngafika la ngathi if you study the writing of the Bible there is damning evidence scholars around the world agree with khona amavesi ayengekho from the original manuscripts okuhamba kuthi kwamanye amabhayibheli aqala submit bayabakutshela if you read this type of a Bible ngeke uzulithole le verse ngaquote khona iJesu ngathi e.g. umuthatha ku epistles of Paul lento uthandiswana bangayi pulpit it was not a Pauline writing.
Right.
Yes. By a naughty person 33 years after those epistles have been produced. 33 years. Now, the verse lele akhuluma ngalo mfuka ngiyalazi. Unfortunately, akho ngani yakhalayo yafa uzalwa uBetsheba. Ask the Jews, they'll tell you.
Okay. So
Shlomo, the son of David and the mother of Bathsheba. Kodwa basebenzisa ilokuza a Jewish name to call Bathsheba, yeah.
All right. Okay, atsibonkosi Gate. Hi guys. Oh, Kosami app. Yes, bonkosi namhlanje there's some technical glitches regarding app, regarding website, regarding nathi. Sikuthi nje sisheshe sabona sahloma. Sahloma. Ani njalo without fail. Uma ngabe kuzokhulunywa into ezothinta imimoya kuba nezixhakaxhaka somehow some yakwasho namhlanje besihlomile nomthembu sahloma kodwa nje kwathina nje kunosixhaxheni siyaxolisa kulondawo kodwa bayalungisa omthembu ubona nje hlenda saduze kwami nangu sika malume wenkawu usanibonani basakazi bami nabalaleli kune movie lana esihloko Jack the Giant Slayer ithi ayifane nale ka King ka nale ring ka Solomon. Alright, ngizophinde ngibuke ngiyazi ngayibuka kudala. I want to watch it again.
Yeah, the minister Chris Ringa Solomon nami ngiyafisa uba neaccess kule ring.
Athi unezi Mkhize sanibona ne studio hayi namhlanje inkulu kakhulu indaba okusobala ukusikonke lokho kwenzeke kulesikhathi samanje kudala nokusobala ukuthi umlando uyasiphinda kukho konke njengoba esechazile bamndabe futhi konke kuyiqiniso njengokubona kwami njengoba ngikhula okuningi kuyilo iqiniso eshaya isikhonkosini #ke leyo. All right, ake ngize la ku WhatsApp.
Angibingelele studio kini nonke bingelele abasakazi bingelele abadidiyeli bohlelo ngibingelele nabalaleli bohlelo asilungiseni Kingsfiso lo kwaDukuza ethethe phansi sitikidikini ayisilalele uhlelo siyafunda la ngenkosi enkulu yake yaphila uKing Solomon manje sengihleke kabi la manikhuluma ngendaba kaMakeda iQueen of Sheba eyayihambe iyobheka isihlalo sayo laphana ku Solomon waIsrael sasidukele kodwa yafika laphana yavele yafike yadidiswa ngokhari yabuye isithwele usana ngesibeletho sengiyayibuza ke mina ukuthi kazi yona into ayisukeleke la Ethiopia iyoyenza laphana kuyobheka isihlalo sayo yabuya nayo yini noma yayisikhohliwe yonke leyo nto isifike yadidiswa ngokhari lapha neQueen yayibuyela isiphathele usana ngesibeletho. Anyway siyabonga kakhulu uhlelo lumnandi kakhulu liyasifundisa lwenza lento ekuthiwa imisfiling lento yayisho kakhulu ubabu uthi uminister uthi impela may his soul rest in peace. Ngicabanga ukuthi nalabo befunde indaba ngoSolomon eBhayibhelini ngendlela eyivela ngayo eBhayibhelini sebezokwazi ukuhlukanisa manje phakathi kokuyiqiniso nokuhamanga ukukhulunywa ngoSolomon eBhayibhelini ngosiba labalobi bamanga. Siyabonga kakhulu sibonga nje nomdali ngokusipha ithuba lokuthi sibe ingxenye yalolu hlelo olukhulu kangaka uhlela silungiseni ngoba kuningi esikufundayo la ngomlando wethu waseAfrika. Siyabonga kakhulu ake ngithathelele ithuba bese ngihlela ngezantsi ngingaze ngilule kakhulu. Angibonge.
Permission yakho ngizocela ukufunda Songs of Solomon.
Right.
Ungabe mhlambe uthuthuzela kancane ngifike ngoba naku la sengifuna ukufika khona. There's been a lot of theories regarding Songs of Solomon. Which is this a true sexual song or the Songs of Solomon? I guess it's just Songs of Solomon verse bani chapter 1. Yeah. Ngizosebenzisa King James version ngoba iyona enesingisi understand.
Okay.
The Songs of Solomon, which Solomons? Which is Solomon's? This is interesting. There is the opening line King James. The Songs of Solomon, which is Solomon's? Aga Solomon. Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth, for thy love is better than wine. Ngimanga ke ngomlomo wakho ngoba manguqabula ungathini iwine. Because of the serve of good ointments, thy name is an ointment poured forth, therefore do the virgins love thee. Should you Queen Makeda were a virgin? That's my concern.
Right.
Queen Makeda were a virgin when he slept with Solomon for the first time.
Okay.
Who said I am black? Ushuthini lokho?
Ngimnyama.
Kusho bani?
Solomon, Slomo. Ngimnyama.
Uthini?
Ngimnyama. Queen national at the
no, according to scholars uyena kodwa i-response la andifike kube khona le khuluma khona na futhi ngiyavuma thaba ngiyavuma. I'm black but comely, O ye daughters of Jerusalem, as the tents of Kedar and the curtains of Solomon. Look not upon me because I'm black, because the sun hath looked upon me. My mother's children were angry with me. They made me the keeper of the vineyards, but my own vineyards have I not kept. Ngihlulekile ukugcina ini umzimba wangasese.
Queen. Yeah. Hayi impela sekuyavela.
Abafundisi abaningi bathi uSolomon.
So nje hayi lekuyavela uthi Queen.
Ngihlulekile ukugcina uzibamba. So sengiqeda ke. Tell me, O thou whom my soul loveth, where thou feedest, where thou makest thy flock rest at noon. For why should I be the one that turneth aside by the flocks of the companions? Ngingabelani ngaso sonke lesikhathi ungicela na.
Kuba rejoice kuba.
Ngicabanga lamanga Sunday school kodwa phela na uthisha he.
Indingele studio. Ngila kwamasho. Mina ngicela ukwazi especially kuwena Queen Rejoice ngoba ubulalela enhlangothi zombili. Indaba yokuhlakanipha kwaSolomon. Generally sazi ukuthi uSolomon ukuhlakanipha wakunikwa uNkulunkulu. Uthabo ukufakazile lokho ukuthi wakunikwa uNkulunkulu ngoba ube read even from the scriptures. So ukuthatha from the scriptures nathi lokusakhula sikwazi njengoba sesibadala sengane. Uba umyeza uyabudinaya uthi akakholelwa nje ukuthi uNkulunkulu wamnika ukuhlakanipha. Uba umyeza uthi ukuhlakanipha uSolomon wayisebenzisa iring. Now njengomlaleli njengabalaleli ngoba ngiyazi mhlamba kumina ngedwa mina lenkingi. Which evidence or ngasilive iqiniso kuyilona ukuthi uSolomon ukuhlakanipha wakuthatha kubani? Ngoba thina sazi ukuvela wakunikeza uNkulunkulu nje ubuthabesho. Uba umyeza naye shothi mhlamba wenze research singazi mhlamba ukuthi wayenza ngoba hayi kukho eBhayibhelini la ukuthi wayisebenzisa iring. Yikuphi kufanele mhlamba umuntu akholele kona noma umuntu ufuna asebenzise discretion yakhe ukuthi yiloko okright yiloko okwrong. Yiloko nje mina nganginenkinga nendaba amakhosikazi kwathi wathwala into engenamsebenzi mina ngifuna ukuthi ukuhlakanipha lokho wakho wakuthola kubani. Ngiyabonga.
Siyabonga babuthwala. Mdimbane ngicela ukuthi uphawule la.
Ukuhlakani uThabo akhuluma ngabo wakuthatha kuNkulunkulu. Kodwa could have God given him the language of the demons and the jinns and no. Yiloko bengikhuluma ngakho.
Lokho ukuthi bamnikeza ukuhlakanipha wase eseba interested kule mkhuba waseyifunela okunye
Solomon yabo namhlanje lapho ngenza iphile befanele
ngihlukanise ukuthi
khona nalento kaSolomon okuzala uBetsheba. uBetsheba noSolomon baba nezingane eziwu4.
Amadodana
awu4 noDavid. Solomon encane futhi. Abawu 3
bakhona abanye abathola ku Bathsheba
uSolomon ulona
alright umfukeng la
namsengenzela ukuthi nje
kuseqhaqa ukuthi nisho into eyodwa isuka la
hayi ukuthi akazali uBathsheba uSolomon
alright
kodwa kuyena yedwa kukhona lenye ingane eyashona
alright uNkulunkulu wami ubuhlakanipho bamndabeni uyavuma then wasesezifunela ngokunganeliseki lokho kwakheke thinta kule ring yakhe alright no okay angiphinda ngize la ukuthula lapha e-studio ngicela ukubuza according to indaba ngabe umdali wayazi ukuthi uSolomon u12 awu njengoba kuthiwa wayesenduze nenhliziyo kamdali
wayeseduzengakho phela egcinetha kuyizelezi
wayethandwa manje kusho ukuthi umdali wayengaboni lutho wrong hayi nhlanhla enyulenze no uNkulunkulu ayazi that is why athi uNkulunkulu kuyena uSolomon ngenxa kababa wakhe uDavide ngeke nguphuca umbuso kwena ngizowuthatha kwindodana yakho because he knew ukuthi wayenzani I think futhi wayinakho ukwazi kwasekuqaleni sithi ebeka imiso ukuthi njengoba ngikupha lokhu kuhlakanipha lenhliziyo yami ungakwenza ukuthi nokuthi alright futhi uNkulunkulu ayekho into angayazi Nkosi yami athi lana ke asilungiseni ukuthula e-studio iyadida indaba yendalo nomdali nokudaleka kwabantu ukuthi wabahlokanisa kanjani kube khona akangabafuni nabathandayo izizwe akangazazi thandi nezizwe akazithandayo kungani umdali engakhuzi ngesikhathi uphuma endleleni alinde uze wone bese yakujezisa ngabe umdali unenzondo ngiyabonga uDlamini I don't think God is selective if he's a personal
manje ngoba awubheke
Nkosi isikhathi asekho ngempela
uSolomon
ngicela sivele sivale ngoba isona isikhathi singasekho maningi ngama comments kakhulu isikhathi siphelile however engathi ngoma umlale engcine kumfunda engathi ngavele ngibuyise inkulumo kaGuru ukuthi God is uqedile yabo konke sizenzela thina okwethu ethi ikarma yethu ama consequences wakho ayikho into uNkulunkulu manje asengayishintsha noma sekukwenza kwethu that's how I believe
I know uyibeka khona ngoba ayithola ngicomment enye ngisale sengidlula nje kuDlamini uNkulunkulu ngakwazi ukukhuluma nomuntu one by one njalo lokho esitshela into eyodwa ingakho enza isibonelo ngomuntu oyedwa
right
kuzofunda kuyena usitshelile uNkulunkulu enzani kanje niyambona uSolomon bazova zonke sikanye uNkulunkulu lokwenza ngeke izenzeke leyo nto ingakho nezingane ukhuluma once ekhaya ngeke one by one ukhipha umthetho kube ukanye
like kwenziwa kanje
yes manje vaya utshela ubani na one by one Thabo kaSambothi kuyatholakala ku WhatsApp othi 076 054 3833 076 054 3833 ungangi WhatsApp
Danko mzukwazi
076 33954 ake ngiphinde mlaleli ngithi kwena 076 33954
Danko siyabonga kuwena mlaleli badunathi kusona nje kuseni ngo9 kwaze kube manje ngo12 ayiphinde ihlangane futhi ngesikhathi sifanayo ngesonto lizayo uyayathi uThabo umdali mevumile kuzoba njalo I wish ngazuthi I'm hungry for angazi noma part 2 yini kodwa for lento yesithwalo I'm hungry for such information for angazi kodwa ke sisazoxoxa neteam umsakazo ke bafethu awupheli uyaqhubeka up next khona Canon hamsana no Hamza with Urban Hits Top 30 Countdown 325 ukonomiswa abantwana Londiwe Dlomo with the melodies umnandi umculo lapha emva kwalokho 5 to 6 is going to be exclusive sport hour emva kwalokho ke akube khona Obelo G with the World Music Show yabona into esemsakazweni inanda on a Sunday I quite ngathi sama pots the pots that were cooked the pot angazi into enjalo nje kodwa wenza into ongeke uyithole ndawo ongeke uyibone ndawo futhi nje hlala emsakazweni wakho uyibone into engishoyo ngifakazele just celebration 13 uche phambili my God is good bye yo